Sierra Veterinary Specialists is a referral hospital for small animals in Carson City, Nevada. Sierra was established with the goal of providing the most advanced care possible for our patients. Many people don't realize how far veterinary medicine has advanced over the past few decades. There are now many specialties available in addition to the care that you get from your general veterinary practitioner. Specialties including surgery, internal medicine, ophthalmology, cardiology, oncology or care of cancer, and many others. This has been driven in large part by clients. As people have become more educated about their own health care, they, as an extension, have looked for the same level of care for their own animals. In addition, we've seen over the past few decades a change in the way people view their pets, more as members of families than in the traditional role of pets that we're accustomed to. In order to provide that level of care, we've gone to a lot of effort to outfit our facility with the most advanced equipment and diagnostic capabilities available. We have a full range of surgical and diagnostic equipment, including X-ray, video fluoroscopy or video X-rays, ultrasound, minimally invasive surgeries, which is small camera surgery into the abdomen, which is laparoscopy, into the chest or thoracoscopy, and arthroscopy, which many people are familiar with, having often had the same procedures themselves on their own joints. We also have access to CT and MRI when necessary. In terms of highlighting our surgical capabilities, some of my own areas of special interest are minimally invasive surgeries that I mentioned, the small camera surgeries into the abdomen, chest, or joints. We have the capability of using high-energy surgical equipment, fourth triad vessel sealing devices, CO2 laser, radio frequency ablation in both open surgical procedures as well as the minimally invasive procedures. We provide surgical oncology care or care of cancer patients that need surgery as part of their treatment, and this is an area that I find particularly rewarding and in some cases particularly frustrating. I like to raise people's level of awareness. So often people find that when their pet is diagnosed with a cancer, it's a cause for hopelessness and really not seeking out any additional treatment. Our ability to treat these cases has improved dramatically over the past decades. We're able to, in some cases, cure cancers. In other cases, provide good quality extension of life. With that quality of life preserved, that's really our goal, is to make sure that patients are maintaining quality existences and not just extending their lives for the purposes of having them live longer. Orthopedics is another area where we see a high caseload within Sierra Veterinary Specialists. It is also another kind of passion of mine. My residency at the University of Georgia had a fairly high trauma caseload, and that included different types of fractures or broken bones, usually hit by car type injuries, although other types of injuries as well, in both dogs and cats. And that can be very rewarding when you take a young animal that has just gotten away from its family and been injured in some way and are able to correct a broken leg and return that animal to full function and see them back with their family enjoying the activities that they want to enjoy. It's really a good feeling. We also provide corrective surgery for joint problems. People are usually most familiar with ACL type surgeries. In veterinary medicine, it's called the cranial cruciate ligament, or CCL, and it is the most common orthopedic problem we see in dogs right now. So we provide the equipment capability for tibial plateau leveling osteotomy, tibial tuberosity advancement, and minimally invasive repairs for that particular problem. Veterinary medicine is also advanced in the realm of total joint replacement, and we are pleased to be able to offer that care for our patients as well. Total hip replacement has been the area where we've been most successful, and people may be familiar with it for themselves and don't realize that it's available for animals. And we're expanding into the areas of total joint replacement for the elbow and total joint replacement for the knee as well. Our motto at Sierra Veterinary Specialists is sharing knowledge and education. And I take that seriously through all aspects of our surgical facility, making sure that we're providing our technical and support staff with the most advanced knowledge that they can have to provide their care, and in communicating with clients, making sure that they know and understand what the particular problem is that they're dealing with and what their options are, and in making sure that the veterinarians that refer cases are well informed about what's going on with their patients and whether or not there's something new that they may not be aware of in terms of treating some of the problems they send our way. And when I'm sitting down with clients, I see my role as really providing information for them. I find frequently when I'm talking to people outside of my role as a veterinary surgeon, people are usually surprised to know that there's a surgical specialty, that you can specialize in veterinary medicine. That is a comment that I hear frequently, and I like people to know that, yeah, there are a lot of things that you can do for your pets now. If you choose to pursue that level of care, you can really get in many different specialties the highest level of care comparable to what you'd get in human medical facilities today. And that's my role, is making sure that people are educated and understand what they can do for their animals.